Hey cuties, how have you guys been doing? As always, your friend Gunika. I have been doing awesome and I hope you guys have been doing awesome too. So today I've come up with another story session for you guys and it's really fun because you know why? It has an awesome animal in it. Can you guess which one? Today I'm gonna read out a story about goats. And not one, it has 3 goats and it's called, ta-da, 3 Billy Goats. Yes, that's the story I'm going to read out for you guys. But before I begin, I want to ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked my video? Have you commented on my video? Oh, maybe have you ring that bell? Please ask your mommy and daddy if you've done all of it or none of it. I need to know. So for that, you need to send across a message. How? Comment down below and let me know. And I want to say thank you so much for sending across so much love, you guys. You guys are the best. So let's start reading today's story, that is 3 Billy Goats. Billy Goats. Once upon a time, there were 3 Billy Goats who were brothers. The eldest one was called the Great Big Billy Goat. The second one was called Big Billy Goat and the youngest one was called Little Billy Goat. The 3 Billy Goats, they lived happily in a meadow near a cliff. On the other side of the cliff flowed a winding river. One day the 3 brothers, they saw a lush green meadow on the other side of the river. The meadow was full of apple trees. Little Billy Goat got really excited and he started pleading his brothers to go to the other side of the meadow and eat those apples growing on those trees. His brothers quickly agreed and Little Billy Goat excitedly said, "Let me go first, please, let me go." Now, there lived a huge troll under the wooden bridge and whoever wanted to reach to the other side of the meadow had to cross that bridge. And to cross that bridge, they had to take his permission. And you know what? Instead of giving permission, he used to eat whoever used to come and cross the bridge. The Little Billy Goat was completely unaware of this. He had no clue about the fact that troll could eat him up if he tries to cross the bridge. He stepped onto the bridge and trip, trap, he went onto the bridge. As soon as the troll heard, he roared loudly, "Who is tripping on my bridge?" Startled, listening to the voice of the troll, Little Billy Goat replied in a feeble voice, "It is I, Little Billy Goat. I am going to the meadow." The troll roared and replied, "No, you will not going anywhere as I am going to eat you up." "Please do not eat me," cried the Little Billy Goat. "I am too small and thin. I won't be able to fill your tummy. Wait for my big brother to come. He will be coming after me. You can eat him up as he will be able to fill your tummy. He is much bigger than me." "Well then, get off my bridge quickly," thundered the troll. So the Little Billy Goat was quickly able to cross the bridge because he used his mind. Am I right? And so Little Billy Goat crossed the bridge safely. After a while, Big Billy Goat stepped onto the bridge, again trip-trapping. Once again, when the troll heard the trip-trapping, he roared, "Who is tripping on my bridge?" "It is I, Big Billy Goat, going to the meadows," he said loudly. You know what? Even the Big Billy Goat did not know about this, that the troll could eat him up. "You are going nowhere. I am going to gobble you up, Big Billy Goat," said the troll. On listening to this, the Big Billy Goat replied, "Please don't eat me as I am not big enough to fill your stomach. You can wait for my elder brother, the Big Billy Goat, to come. He will be coming after me. He is very big and he will be able to fill your stomach." Again the troll agreed. "All right, you can cross my bridge too. but I will eat you up when you will return. So the big billy goat also crossed the bridge, and I must say that was a smart move. Soon, great big billy goat stepped onto the bridge. Now, great big billy goat was so heavy that the bridge creaked and groaned under his weight. Suddenly, a large pair of eyes peeped from beneath the bridge. Who is coming? Who is trying to break my bridge? Yelled the troll. It is me. It's the great big billy goat, he replied in a hoarse voice. The troll heard him and he said, Wait, I am coming to eat you up. Well, come along, muttered the great big billy goat. He lowered his horns and prepared himself to butt the troll. The fight of great big billy goat and the troll was about to begin. The next moment, the troll stepped onto the bridge. He looked at the great big billy goat and that charged at him furiously. Now I will get you, he shouted. But great big billy goat was prepared. Wham! He charged at the troll and he threw him up in the air. The troll landed on the bridge with a loud thud. Thum! Without wasting a moment, the great big billy goat repeatedly charged the troll until he had crushed the troll into pieces. Then he tossed the troll into the river. The great big billy goat then crossed the bridge and went up to the meadow to join his brothers. Why are you so late? Asked his brothers. Oh, it was nothing, replied the great big billy goat. Happily, they ate the lovely green grass and the juicy red apples in the meadow, and they could also walk over the bridge whenever they wanted. So that's about this story. I hoped you like it. It was a really simple and a fun story, and I love reading this book to Suhan, and Suhan loves it too. Probably it was the first book that Suhan fell in love with. I want to ask you guys, have you guys fallen in love with reading books? Have you not? If you haven't, please start reading the books. I am sure you will enjoy looking at the pages, the colors, the pictures and everything. If you do, I must know. You have to tell me, and you know how. And to make sure that you never miss out any stories from my channel, you need to subscribe to my channel One Stash, and don't forget to ring a bell right here so that every time you are notified whenever my story is coming up. And you know what? If you ring that bell, every time you hear a ting on Mama's phone, you know what notification it is? It is the notification about my new story coming up. So guys, never miss out, and do not forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel. Thank you for watching so much. You guys are the best.